guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm trying to play some Cenozoic Survival. Um, yeah, don't ask me why I'm not like do a respawn thing and starting recording. No, just because I was already in the game and I wanted to record because my game was moving. Like I can say it was moving okay because I think you guys know that my PC is broken and yeah. Today I'm trying to be. Oh my god, it hurt. Oh god damn it. Okay, today I'm gonna try, being a little bad, bad wolf and stuff. Wait, let me do some try to attack any of those. Okay, thanks. Bruh. Okay, thanks. Oh, that was okay. Do you guys know that you can actually, hack in the game? Like, not a hack, it's glitch or something? Thing that you can when attacking a type of. My god, my game is moving so bad. I don't know why. Maybe because everyone is on the. Right, why now? Okay, anyway. Let's just not. Let's just not. Let's go and try attacking the wolf pack. Like maybe, I don't know. I'm kinda hungry. Not in this video, I'm not joining any type of pack. Because I'm a bad wolf, in this video I'm a bad wolf. Trying to be. Get my role. I have 2 lives. Bruh. Why do I have lag when I'm trying to record on my OBS? Just kill that wolf! Kill that wolf off. What the heck? Oh. Right, I have lag in. Oh, everyone is attacking me. Okay, no, I think I understand other people why like when they're in World like Kella or even in Megalonia or the bat, but like the an elk or a zebra, why are you attacking them? I understand for like if you're gonna protect yourself from them, but like why? Like for no reason, go and kill them. You see that number, let them leave. I don't know. It happened to me. I was playing and a guy just came to me and killed me when I was ready. I think it was an old, but player like, oh, hey, bruh. One hit and I'm dead. I'm dead, bruh. Okay, my glitch is okay and it is working, but like, the thing is that my PC glitch when I'm attacking something, and I hate that. And I tried, I fucking tried. Graphics looking so bad and still I have lag and things like that. I did explain to other, like in other videos, I fell into glitch and stuff like this problems when I'm trying to record, but when I'm not recording on it's alright and it's going. What the heck? Okay, I saw that, but like it wasn't. A Keller, a Mega and a Keller. Oh my god! Like, Bruh, why do I have lag? I'm gonna, bruh. How the fuck did he? Let's just not try dying, can I? Because the last time when I was, I don't know, just someone decided to follow me and kill me when I was a killer. Okay. I don't know why am I attacking those, but okay, like they're gonna kill you even though you don't even attack, so okay. Oh, a fresh new kill. Okay, that's cool. But I still wanna go get them down. Fresh new kill. Not going to try killing it. Oh my, what the heck did I just say? Okay. Are you trying to protect yourself from me or just run away? Like others do. Like others do. Everyone is running from me, so... I do have a tactic to attack others, but like... Okay, I think it's dying, so I'm gonna, just, trying to survive here. I think I was, like, I don't know what to do right now. Okay. I'm recording. Oh my god, my life needs to go up, up, up to be fully recovered, healed, because I can't just try killing somebody on health on whatever. Okay. Well, bro, what the heck? What the fuck, bruh? Bruh. No, what the heck? No, I didn't want it to die. Bruh. I didn't want it to die. Uh-huh. Okay, it's okay. I think I'm gonna post this video on like, I don't know, on 30. No, anyways, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna think when I'm gonna post. I don't know. I don't even know the. Ooh, I saw him. Oh, they're there. Oh god damn it! You got the wrong wolf to fuck on. Oh, and the full herd is over here. It is, but like, bruh, I don't want to kill the. Okay, I can't even kill that, but like, oh Bob, I want to kill one of you. Because yeah, the heck, you know, bruh, how the heck did I did not attack it? Okay, thank you, bruh. Go, follow it, go, go on. Can I? Just go on. I don't know where the heck they are going, but oh, I want that child on my. Pray, what the heck is the child? On the try, try me. Uh huh. Nah. Nah, you're not gonna kill me. Thank you. I think they can't kill me if the body's around. I think they can kill me. I think they can't. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Okay, I'm just clicking now. Oh, another child! Another free meal! Because, yeah. Okay, just kill the male and the female, and I don't care. I don't give It's YouTube. Why am I swearing? Why am I swearing on YouTube? God damn it, go and kill it! I do have food there, but like I don't want to, eat that food. Okay. I just show you guys that you can actually kill a male. Okay, you can actually go and kill a calf because it's a calf, it's a baby deer. Bruh, don't kill me. You kill me from two hits, You're gonna kill me from two hits, so and I don't want to. I think, yeah, I'm full of hunger, but like, I don't care. I don't care. I'm eating. Anyways, I'm a black hole. I'm gonna eat all the food I found. I'm gonna find food and I'm gonna eat anyways. Because I think if he follows me, I'm gonna go there and start killing him and biting him too. So, oh well. That's a bad idea to go. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. It's a bad idea, bruh. I swear that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Okay, I kill it. Yay. Thank you. I'm gonna go to the den. If I know where the heck is the den. And my heart is beating in the real life, I mean. And I don't know why, just because it's a pain, and I don't know why. My heart is beating so fast, and I don't know why. And why am I not moving? What the heck is wrong with my dog? What the heck? No. Anyways, yeah, no, it's wrong. Okay, thank you. Am I gonna die? No one knows. But like, oh my god. No. Am I trying to be good? I'm not gonna try being a good doggy. Oh god. Okay, anyways, calm down. Why? And when I say calm down, I'm gonna think like, I think everyone knows the meme. Calm down, Karen. Calm down. Yeah. When I'm saying calm down, I'm thinking about that. Like, oh my god, why do I have so much lag on this game, bruh? I hate having lag. And what the heck? He was just flying over there. What the heck? I don't know what the heck. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, so Oh god damn it. Can I just not be killed by this stupid? Well, that's a whole. Well, I thought it was a pack over there, but no, they're just the dead bodies I killed. And I'm very proud of myself because I killed this full-grown elk. And because I'm so proud of myself because I killed that grown elk. And why do I have so sharp teeth? Okay, anyways. Why do I sound like, oh my god. I sound like a, okay. Stop swearing on my channel, oh my god. I'm trying, okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm swearing on the channel. I'm sorry. But I think it's just it was that I don't know because yeah, when I'm like I was trying to kill a male. Oh god damn it. Is she? She is. Okay, anyways. I think like for me it was that because I don't know why, but like um the fuck I killed a calf some like when I was playing. I killed a calf, you know, and it was in the hood, and I think you guys know the separated hood, like the bull's hood and the cow's hood. Okay, can you kill that zebra, please? It's okay. Be very very okay. Oh, that's a experimented player. And now, go on in. Try not to, you know, when they do the after attack. This is what I wanted to say. Be very. Okay. God damn it. God damn it. Okay. I'm I'm kind of a happy girl today because yeah. Why am I? Okay. Well, let me just. No, I don't want the porn. I mean run hard. What the heck is that? Can I do? Why is no snapping? Wait a sec. Um. Yes. Okay. Can I? Yes. Why it was not starting? Oh, I hear something. Like someone is here. Do you want me to guys to say life stories to you guys? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Okay, so like sometime I was like I don't know what date was or like the hour I know it was like 5. But like I know that I went with my friend in the park, you know. And I do have a dog in real life and fucking owner with her dog. Like let the dog without the leash and let her dog, you know, her dog, bruh, what the heck? Her dog attacked me and yeah, I had a beautiful scar from her bite on my leg. And my dog was looking at her dog and was like, what the heck is happening? Like, not biting, not attacking, just looking. Being friendly and looking. Because when I say no, don't attack, he wants to attack and kill and do bad things to that dog. But when I'm saying go attack, he's just looking. And what the heck, like, yeah, my friend was looking too, like, she's not doing anything, just go and look. And I was bite, but like, oh my god. My dog was like, oh my god, what the heck is happening? And I was like, bro, go attack. And my friend was, oh, what the heck is happening? Like, what the heck? Okay, am I the only one who's not speaking English in my free time? And but like, I do know how to speak English, and I do have an English accent. kind of a English accent. I don't know how to explain. And where the heck I'm going? And I know how to swear in English, but in my language, in my native language, I don't know how to the heck to speak. Okay, I think I'm the only one. Like in this shit, bruh. Hey, go, bruh. I hate when that this happens. Like you can go, climb the. Ah, someone told me that I'm funny. How like how I'm doing like being obsessed and annoyed. I'm funny. But like I said to bruh, bruh, how the heck did my broke like? Oh my god. Oh. Okay, what the heck, bruh, bruh. Like what the heck? How the heck my leg broke? Anyway, so I like a girl said to me that you're funny when you're annoyed and angry and upset in this game. Like when you're playing Cenozoic Survival. You're funny. I'm funny. Do you want me to swear you and you don't know how to do it, like to let me do it? You know, you don't want me to swear you and you don't know how to make me do it. Oh no, just let me play with the low internet and the glitched game when you attacked and that player isn't attacked because why not? Your game just prefers not to attack even though you attacked it. Or when what the I'm not asking what the heck just happened and why am I here. And the winter update, it was so cute and all, but like you couldn't do anything. You fucking couldn't do anything because it was snow everywhere. And but like I have like I do have some photos with a disco pack that I was in, and I still am, but I'm a guest in that. I'm a guest in this server pack, like a disco pack, which I really love the pack because they're so cute people and sweet people, and I think if I didn't wanted to join the pack, um, they will say yeah, but you can still join. But like they're so sweet people. My friend was in this pack. Oh, the fucking moron! Just kill herself, bruh. She just killed herself. What the heck? Okay. Anyways. So, the disco pack I am in, I'm in the server, like in the disco server. It's like the people there are so cute and sweet and all that, and like I don't know how to explain this, but like, my friend was in in that pack like a year ago, and she talked to I think the admin. I think I'm the admin. The admin. Admin. Bro, shut up. I know you're where you are, but shut up. Okay, anyways. So she talked to the admin and bruh, I wanted to kill that guy because bro, what the hell? How the heck? That broke my leg. No. There you do not. What the heck? Ah, because they broke their leg. My rule to in the fighting role, is not going to attack anybody with 50 his pounds, but like 50-50, But like it's okay. Oh, I know that guy. Wait a second. I do know this guy. I do know this guy. Wait, wait. Oh, actually, I don't know. I thought it was my friend, but it wasn't. I thought it was my friend because like my friend has the same fucking account, like Black Soul. It was my friend's friend name, you know. You know, she has the same exact username like this guy here. Let me show you. Black, you know, Black Soul. My friend Alex has a friend with this name, and I thought it was her, but like she isn't. And so, you're bad. And I love some guys, you know. I'm not gonna attack this guy because I don't have any type of path around me, so I can another wolf. Anyway, no, I'm a friendly wolf with elves. I'm a friendly wolf with elves, and I think my internet just go out and went out. But anyways, who cares? I'm trying to run away from it because why not? Okay, if I'm gonna reconnect, like if my stupid internet kick me out from the game, you know, I'm gonna rejoin another server or um reconnect my I'm gonna reconnect. Oh, I love this face. It's like a mini fox, but who cares? You know, I do care. I wanna kill that guy. I think I'm in the pack, but like, who cares? Oh my god! Ah, no. I'm not in my usual account logged in. I'm in my friend's account. Oh my god. I'm in my friend's account and in my friend's account I can be rude and all that, but like what the how the heck did they went and attack me? I can use nails. Like, I'm gonna die because of my stamina over here. You know, just go up. Just go up. You don't know anyone over here and you try attacking them. How stupid can you be? Oh my, let's just join her group. Let's see if she's, you know, dude. Who the heck are you? 11. Oh no, legendary. I don't know this guy. Okay. I was just trying to get some food, even though I killed two wolves over there. Let's just go back to the wolves. Okay. Bro, what the no, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, no. Go, no. Girl, you're gonna die. Girl, you were able to kill yourself. You are able to kill it. How the heck did I? Oh my god. I didn't want to break my leg in the fucking water. How the heck did I break my leg in the water? Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Let's be serious, you know. Trying to be happy over here, so don't judge me. This video might be for like a half an hour of more or less on more. Oh the is the pack following the yes, they are. So let's go to because why not? Because I'm not nothing, I'm nothing but like it's okay. In this game you need just to go try oh I love this type. Oh god damn it, who the heck are you? because I'm gonna get my revenge even though they did nothing. They did nothing to me. Because okay, I love how they can kill me, but they get no food from my body, so I love that. Yeah. So I'm gonna be parrot just because I wanna see the pack where the heck the pack is going. So yeah, come on. Where the heck? No. Wait, the Caroline is a reptile. How the heck is the parrot is the anyways, I thought maybe it was not the. How the heck this bud is the um. And why is she looking at me like that? Why is she looking at me like that? Okay. Let's go and see the pack. Where the heck the pack is going? I think if you like, thank you for watching. If you got here, if you watched the video, like this is the the pack. Oh, they are following the elk herd. Okay. Okay. Because I can fly and you guys can't fly. Where the heck am I? I'm a little parrot to try killing you, even though I can. Hello. 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 Am I in next to? Am I killing you guys? No? It's okay. It's okay because I don't care. Okay. I'm gonna be just a parrot who, attacks this guy. Because why not? Because I'm a parrot and you're not. And you can't do anything about it. Because I can't swim. Oh my god, the heck did it kill me? Oh my god. Anyway. Oh guys, you're Russians. Oh thank god I'm not. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you watch all my videos and full of them, like you know, watch my anyways who watch my videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you the next time. Bye.